Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok if it won't open on your phone. Start by checking your internet connection. If your internet connection is unstable, TikTok may fail to launch properly. Next, switch your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, you can switch to Wi-Fi. Then try opening TikTok again. If it still doesn't work, you can go to your app store and search TikTok. If there are any updates available, you can update your TikTok. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve the app's performance. If it still doesn't work, go to your settings. Now search General. Now tap iPhone storage. You can search TikTok. Now tap Offload data. This can sometimes fix your problem. If TikTok still won't open, restart your phone. Once it turns back on, try opening the app again. That's it for this video. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.